Hey everybody, today Tim and I are here. We are discussing the idea of a muscle test and why would you muscle test. So today we're going to give you a simple example of what a muscle test looks like and why we would do that. So very simply, the body, generally speaking with muscles, either a muscle is turned on or it's turned off. So I'll give you an example. Tim, if you'll bring your arm up here. This muscle, Tim is just going to pressure give me upward pressure that's equivalent to what I'm pushing here. And that muscle is actually locking, okay? So we can check and see if this muscle is also able to unlock. I just press this little point here, and his muscle is no longer locking. We call that a strong but mushy muscle. Now, why would we do this? Okay, so by interacting with Tim's nervous system here, it gives me direct feedback into Tim's system right away. Now, we support the muscle testing piece, the energetic piece, in conjunction with blood work, and we look at it from a functional perspective. A Western intake, we use simple things like blood pressures and pulses. We do, an abdominal exam. We listen to the heart and lungs. All those things provide different points and pieces of the puzzle of who you are. The muscle testing piece is another tool in our belt, if you will, that allows us to get direct information. So for example, when I have a patient come in and they have fatigue, for example, or they have some sort of thyroid issue that's associated with that fatigue, right? So there are several different things that I can do in support that we can do in support of this thyroid piece, right? So I can actually come over here and touch this point, and we can see if that point goes off in the body, and that's an indicator to us that a system is off. And then what we can do is we can bring a supplement into the mix, and we can check in with Tim's body and see which of those 5 different options that are potential good options does the body resonate with the best. Now, most of the time, we try and keep it pretty basic and simple and pick the one that matches the most. And for the most part, the muscle testing actually shows that. But occasionally something will actually show that the body resonates with something that we're kind of surprised. But the majority of the time, we see that the muscle testing actually really follows through with what the signs and symptoms that the body needs. And so it really is an additional support to help you get better faster and being able to receive real-time feedback from your body directly. So that's one of the reasons why we muscle test. All right, well, thanks for visiting with us today. This is Dr. Fisher and Tim, signing out.